Welcome back to the PE Riding Club construction site. Well, it's not really a construction site anymore, but let's go have a look. When arriving at the PE Riding Club, the first thing you see is the beautiful signboard, and it just brings in the atmosphere, I think. We are in the passageway of the bathroom, the men's bathroom, and the staircase, and there's a beautiful picture of a horse and it looks like a little doggo sniffing, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. It just features the whole of what we are actually all about, and that's animals. As you come up the stairs here, you have your judge's box on the left. And Louisa's beautiful office, so let's go in. You're absolutely beautiful. Let's open the blinds so we can see out. I believe that this office is still a little bit of a work in progress. It seems that she's going to get a little kitchen sink in the corner, and I must say, this is absolutely gorgeous, Louisa. I'm sad that you're not here today. We've got beautiful windows to look out onto the parking lot, which is great for when you're here on your own. You can see who is coming and going. And so much light and space. Love it. Love the different colouring. And we are going to go through into the judge's box. So at the shows, you can just quickly take a little sneak peek in here, see what's happening. I love it. We are with Gavin Zeely, our amazing builder of this beautiful new riding club. How are you today?
Well, let me start.
I'm very good, thank you. And I'm so excited to see that we are actually just about finished. It's awesome. Tell me a little bit about your company. You're from Zeely Builders.
Yeah, second generation. My dad started the business in 1982, I think it was, and myself and my brother took it over. And yeah, I think a big scary thing for a builder is you're not dealing with one client. You're dealing with lots of people,
yes.
and you've got to try and keep everybody happy. And somebody might visualize something that the other person's not.
Yeah.
See.
Especially in a situation like this where you're dealing with a committee, it's not just a family and like
Sure.
in a while. It's like it's a lot of people.
But you know, that was all unnecessary, because it's really been a pleasure from day one.
That's really good to hear. I know from a little bit from behind the scenes that they did work very hard, I think, to come to sort of a general conclusion to give to you. You can see that everybody has worked together because the outcome is so great.
Good, I'm glad to hear that. There were a few changes, nothing significant, and yeah, decisions that needed to be made were made quick. It really has been a pleasure. I can't thank everybody on the building committee enough.
We are in the beautiful judge's box. I must say, wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. You can see over the whole main arena, showing arena, and even the parking lot and the dressage arenas. And it is a complete change from our old little judge's box. So much space, so much light. What would you say the biggest challenge was building this building?
Well, I would say, besides the fact that we had to accommodate having a few shows during the build, we had a few incidences of theft, but once once we installed all the doors and we had managed to secure the place, that stopped. Obviously having Quentin here was an absolute pleasure. He's sort of available on demand. And yeah, that's about it really. We didn't really have too many challenges,
Okay.
let's say.
So it was all in all a great experience.
It was an easy, fantastic, enjoyable experience.
Okay. Having your daughter being a rider and a member of the club, were you put under pressure at home?
No, not at all. I must just say for the record, I think she's the best rider the club's ever seen. But no, it was actually nice to be able to give back
Yes.
to the club.
Yeah.
You know, I heard about the build, I put my name forward, and fortunately I was awarded the tender.
Yes.
And yeah, it's nice, you know, for her
Yeah,
to
I
be
think
jumping
it's
here
also-
and,
yeah.
and for me to be looking and to
That's
see
your
what I
masterpiece.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm very proud. I'm very proud.
You should be. It's really turned out amazing. And you know, it's really nice to have members and members' family a part of building up what we lost. And I think that's also really important that the members are involved.
For sure. All decision makings from the design to the end product has all been people that are somehow affiliated with the club.
Yeah.
And it's nice to keep it in.
No, definitely.
It really is.
Definitely. Love the sturdiness of the new staircase. The old one was a little bit dodgy. So love that it has a new look. We are walking through to the men's bathroom. Oh, to make sure that there's no and it's locked, so we can't go in there. In here we have the disabled bathroom. This is the ladies' bathroom. Let's go have a look. And we have toilets. In my toilet cubicle, space is perfect. Love the walls, and we've got a toilet. We've got toilet paper dispensers. We've got windows. Finally, we've got a bathroom. The outside door for the dressage riders to pop in if they need the loo quick before their little test. We also have basins. We've got a rubbish bin. Everything is looking so stylish. I am loving it. I think the last time we were here, we didn't have a kitchen. Yeah, we're actually still tiling it. So let's go have a look. I think everything is still a little bit of a work in progress, and I think having the show this past weekend, everything is still a little bit all over the place. But as you can see here, we've got the blinds that we had upstairs. And the kitchen can now see over the whole main arena, which I think is really cool for the kitchen staff to also see what's happening while they're cooking. It just adds a little bit of atmosphere to the kitchen. I love these cupboards. Nice doors that can open and close, and nice big open spaces for storage. Love it. And for those health conscious ladies and gentlemen, we have beautiful air fryers now to do our chips, so no more deep fried chips. I have to say that I am loving the new features that are popping up around the new clubhouse, such as this beautiful feature wall over here. Look at the picture of the horses looking out of their stables. The beautiful curtains, the stucco doors, all the pictures along the walls. I am absolutely loving the design. And also just want to say a huge thank you to Melinda Samuels, who's put in a lot of effort in the decorating and also the fine tuning of the building. That's really, really come out absolutely stunning. have survived fire and are up on the wall. Thank you, Belinda, for taking all the photos and getting off the cobwebs and hanging them all back up. We have a special little corner over here for our special Greg, and a memory of him and what all he has done for our PE Riding Club. He is up on the wall with all the famous people of our riding club. Last time we were here, we didn't have staccadoors going into the bar, so this is a very exciting new feature, and I am loving that they have the PE Riding Club logo on them. This is absolutely awesome. I love everything about it, so we can have a little squiz into the bar. And we have our awesome bar that needs a little bit of a sprinkling after being in the standing kitchen. And I can see that everything is slowly starting to move back. So soon we'll have our bar back. I see even the windows in the bar have been changed, which I think is great. The whole clubhouse now is all matchy-matchy. Louisa, I have missed you this interview and all our little jokes. It has been a little bit quieter, but it has been absolutely amazing to see the progress of the PE Riding Club. And I'm sitting underneath our beautiful new patio. The roof is so nice and clean and everything's looking fantastic. So I just want to say thank you and a very big well done to every single person that was involved in the reconstruction of the PE Riding Club. This is sadly our last video of the PE Riding Club because, as you can see, everything's looking really great. So there is no more progress to see except for the little odds and ends, which I'm sure everybody will see at the next show. So come pop into our riding club, support the kitchen, support the bar, and enjoy. Every single member really needs to enjoy this club as much as they possibly can, because I know there has been blood, sweat and tears put into this reconstruction. And yeah, well done, and thank you to every single person who had an input.